Oh, yeah. That's your boy. Sean, Banner Bigger. Video, y'all. This so messed up, bro. My phone was cracked yesterday, yo. I tell what's going on. My phone was cracked. I told mom to put a lotion. I'm gonna leave Rosalina cream, right? All the base, right? You good? I'm not just stop heating my face. I'm tired of this. Super my face, bro. I'm tired of this, man. I'm tired of freaking this. I got a tattoo for my birthday. Got a tattoo by last year. You feel me? Days. Oh, I got PS3 2 shoulders. Days my mom will give me that sight. You feel me, y'all? You feel me? I got Spider-Man. Got Deadpool, got Hulk. Wolverine, right? You feel me? I got model come what if I could get in call this, man? Just whatever we want, clean gift, whatever we want, y'all. I got a PS3, right? Thank you to my mom, bro. Thank you. You feel me? That's the video. Do not be should thumbs up, comment, subscribe. We should hit the bell. You feel me? Yeah, you feel me, y'all? You feel me? Alright. See you next time. Sean, peace. Push up. Game out.